Now let's talk about how we can do some simple conversions with the relationships we discussed earlier. Let's say that I have 2.46 grams of calcium and I want to convert this to moles. I know that 40.078 grams of calcium is 1 mole of calcium. So grams of calcium cancel. And I'll take 2.46 and divide it by 40.078, and that will tell me how many moles of calcium I have. So when I convert from grams to moles, I divide by the molar mass. Now let's do the reverse. If I have 0.146 grams of hydrogen gas, and I want to know how many moles of hydrogen gas. Actually, I'm doing the same computations. Let me go back on that just a second. Let's say I have 0.146 moles of hydrogen gas, and I want to go to grams. I know that 1 mole is 2.02 grams. I want to pick this up on Monday, and we'll do a lot more examples. And this will also set you up for the homework assignment that's due Wednesday morning.